Hey guys, I'm sure folks around here, Missouri, sure there's a lot of other states as well too. The DNR do a real good job on stocking ponds and lakes with trout throughout the winter months and other times of year. And so, if you ever get a chance to take advantage of those opportunities, you definitely want to. They're a lot of fun, especially in the winter months when fishing is obviously is not as active as the other 8 or 9 months of the year. So I live up here in the St. Louis area, and there's a bunch of lakes that are all throughout the St. Louis area that we get to fish, like Jefferson Lake down at Forest Park, and where I'm at in O'Fallon. I get a chance to take go out to have like I think there's 3 or 4 lakes up there at Bush Wildlife, and so this is one of the lakes that's out there. If you ever want to fish them, um, they are catch and release, most of them. I know there's 1 or 2 that you can catch them whenever you want to and take them home. There's a limit, I think, of like 4. You might want to look at the regulations, but I'm pretty sure that's the limit still. Um, Catch and release is most of them. Please abide by that. It's a lot of fun and definitely a place where you can definitely take out your kids during the winter months. It doesn't get too cold around here, so they definitely will be fine. But I catch them on rooster tails most of the time and small spinners. Um, and then I also like to put those little plastic worms on a bobber and just kind of work that a little bit. That's not the best way, but I usually catch most of them on spinner baits. And you get a lot of the older folks or the folks that the fly fishermen that's what they are trying to fine tune, and that's good practice for them. You'll see a lot of fly fishermen out there as well too, and women. And I actually got really lucky. This pond that we're on in this video, or I'm on in this video, has an eagle or two that monitors it on a regular basis and goes in and gets free trout for a meal. And I actually caught finally an eagle swooping down and catching one, and you can see that on the video. So it's pretty freaking cool. But it's a great opportunity. Again, take your kids out to these ponds. Um, like I said, they're real easy. I think there are a certain time frame, like I think in some of these ponds, where in the month of February you can use live bait. And again, look at the regulations on what that is, and that way these trout they're sterile and they don't live very long, and so that's the way the state gets rid of them at the tail end of the season. You can take them home and eat some good trout and everything. So I've done it before, and they taste great. So I think a lot of them come from like Merrimack Spring and some of the other springs throughout the state, and they stock them there, and then they bring them up to these lakes and ponds and everything throughout Missouri. So take advantage of that. I hope you like this video. I don't plan on doing videos like this. It's a little bit more boring than what I usually do with my creeks and rivers videos, but still wanted to kind of take an opportunity to show you all what this is like and what I do whenever I go out to fish them. Catch a few here and there. I've been out there though, and if you're in the right spot, you can catch 20 or 30, 40 of them in a couple of hours. So it's good times. Talk to you guys later. See you.
Oh, there we go. Fish on. There we go. Mm. There we go. Nice one. Oh, there we go. Man, big one. Ooh. Nice. This was a nice one. Oh, it came off. Nice, nice one. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, they love that clump. Boosh. Oh, get one, get one. There we go, he got it. Yeah, nice. Oh, I'm gonna miss him. Damn it. I was hoping I'd get that on camera. Yeah, because they're all schooled up on the top here. He's got it. Where are you gonna bed down and eat that, girl? Just got that old trout off the water. Ah, damn leaves. He's still flying around with that trout. That's funny. Where are you going? You gonna go back to your big tree? Might be waiting for it to die, you know? Yeah, that'd be my guess. Ooh, there you go. Yeah. Oh, damn. That's a little guy.
That's 3 days of fishing to catch this bitch.
Oh, that's your first one, really? Yeah, that's why I'd fly fish, but I'm lazy. I know I'm gonna get one with this treble hook, so. I tell you what though, I've come out here and done treble hook and seen guys with fly catch one after the other, and I don't catch a damn thing. Yeah. So it just depends, especially when it gets colder. Just depends. Shit. Oh, come on, hit it. Bingo, got that time. That thing came up on me 3 times. That's funny. All right, you're my last fish of the day. Yeah.